One of the most common questions I get every day, and I like your questions, by the way. Please don't think you're a burden or being a pain in my butt. I really enjoy questions because it gives me an idea of what most people who are going to join my team or just Save Club in general are asking themselves. And if you get stuck, you might not even join or follow through and make this fun. Okay, there's no reason why you can't be successful in this great opportunity. Okay, guys. So right now, what I want to show you, and I've got to put my phone over here because I get literally every 15 seconds people texting or joining or pre-enrolling. And my phone, I forgot to turn that little thing off. So that drives me crazy. So in the background, I just threw my phone on the ground. If you hear it in the background yelling at me, you mother... No. All right. Well, anyway. And please, guys, I like when my phone chirps like that. It means I'm making money or potential money, or maybe I can help you guys out. All right. When it comes down to marketing, yeah, he or she who posts the most is probably going to boast, about making moolah. Okay. Is this a numbers game? I really think so. You can make one amazing video and it might go viral, and you can do just a sensational post on Facebook or TikTok, and maybe it just goes crazy. For some reason, people just really relate to it. But when I go fishing, I like to, and I don't fish. It's a little slow for me. I'm the guy in the water on wave runners hauling ass, pissing off the fisher dudes and dudettes. But if I do go fishing, I'm bringing 5 fishing poles, and I'm going to put them all over the place. Because if I go 5 in the morning somewhere to stick my rod into something, I better catch something. And it better not be syphilis. Or is gonorrhea and syphilis and VD, is that still around? Maybe I can save money on the cream through Save Club. I'll have to get a hold of the company and ask, do we have gonorrhea cream for $5 off? Okay, because I put my rod in the fishing pole and I caught something weird. All right, well, anyway. Yeah, I just think there's power in numbers. It's a numbers game. And if you post more and make this fun, like every day, if you have an hour to kill before work or after work, okay, you get off work and you got to make dinner for the family. Or maybe you're just a single guy like myself and you get up, you have some other things you got to do, but I really have fun just posting information about this company. It's not work to me. It's entertaining. And if I don't get to do a few videos in the morning, and then I got to take off in just a minute. I got a bunch of stuff to do at my warehouses. And then I come back maybe early evening, okay, or maybe later in the evening where I have my dinner and I do some things. And if it's like 9 o'clock at night and I still feel pretty peppy, hell, I might pump out a couple videos and then I'll produce them the next day. Why do you think on half my videos it looks like I wear the same shirt like 3 days in a row? Because I'll make a video on Tuesday that I post on Wednesday. Then I'll make 2 videos on Thursday that I post on Friday. And half the time I have to look at my computer and go, okay, today is May 14th and it might be May 13th. And I got to stop doing that because I might post this video this morning and then say the wrong date. Okay. But I just like to post and post. All right. If I do a live video, great. I just upload it on YouTube or Facebook, but I prefer to record stuff because if there's anything valuable I might accidentally say, I want more people than just people watching live to receive that message. Okay. In this case, how do I post on Facebook? Okay. Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are always going to dominate. Now, most people, I got my phone on the ground here. I usually hold my phone up. Oh, I've got another one. I got 2 cell phones. Okay, here we go. Okay, if I just go ahead and do Instagram or TikTok, most people, they do it this way, where the camera is up, mostly in selfie mode. Hey guys, this is Cory, man. I hope you check out Save Club. Oh man, this is rad, dude. And I mean, to me, TikTok, it seems like everyone's young and showing off. There's girls doing makeup stuff and doing beautiful poses, and guys doing fart jokes and BMX crazy stuff and accidents and airplane wrecks and everything. But TikTok, yeah, I just throw stuff up there. Instagram too. Instagram and TikTok are kind of similar to me. I'm not into them personally, but if I can do anything to post content about Save Club, definitely. Okay. And I do. I like to post about this opportunity. Now, Facebook. Oh man, let me just go ahead and share my screen. And I'll show you just a typical Facebook post. The reason I like it is I can take my time, and I usually just post something that I like to, chit chat about, and then a link to probably a video like this that I've already made. And I have a lot of success doing this, not only just in Save Club, but in many other opportunities that I have going on. Okay? So anyway, guys, this is my end all be all. I love Save Club. I love it long time. It is sexy. It makes me feel good, and I just want to make out with it. Okay? I love saveclub.com. Now, where is my Facebook page? So what I do is I just go like this, and I put on my Facebook page on your screen. Okay, now this is my personal, and this is just my personal page. I don't make a business page. Okay, we already have a Facebook page for our group in Save Club, and you ought to look at, joining us, because we kick ass, man. We have pictures, videos you can use, content, and everything else. That's a whole other video, but if you're watching me, just go ahead and get a hold of me and, and ask me about what's going on with our group, okay? But this is about just how I like to post on my personal Facebook page, not a business page. I mix personal with pleasure and business, just like a big old potpourri of mess, okay? So anyway, I just want to show you, this is a Facebook post, but I want to show you, I promote a gentleman's club, okay? I'm doing events and just a bunch of fun stuff. We're remodeling right now, so not only do I promote Trails Gentleman's Club here in Salt Lake City, we're going to do a grand reopening in about 30 days. It's going to be called Platinum. Okay? All right. Now, what else do I post about? Well, the Melendez brothers. I just had to put my comment about them probably going free. All right. And then I talk about Trails again. And then a summer concert series. This Friday, I'm going to a big disco party at the brand new multi-$100 million baseball stadium we just made. So I tell people to come down, get their jeans on. Okay, so you see how I just do car show events. There's my good buddy Scott with Sheena. They're both just great friends of mine. Scott owns Eat a Burger, just the best hamburgers by far, and I'm not kidding you. And Sheena produces Grinch Fest, a huge event coming here to raise money for families in June. But see how I just put like a rockin' grandma? I thought she was kind of cute. She's like my age. Look, she's got a little tattoos on. Look, Hot Nana. Remember, Nana is like short for grandma. Okay, so like I said, this is my personal Facebook page. I just wanted to show you proof that I don't come up with some fake Facebook crap for tutorial reasons. Now, this is what I did this morning. You can see I did it about, 37 minutes ago. This is how I post on Facebook. I never get in trouble doing this. I've been doing this a long time, over 2 years, guys, and I post, on Facebook 15 times a day. New funnel system kicks ass. Okay, I own peoplejoinpeople.com. Do you see how I don't put the HTTP and the www dot? You don't need to do that on Facebook. So if you have a domain like a .com or a .net, you can just put the meat and potatoes. People join people, and see, it just bounces perfectly into my capture page of my new funnel system. Okay? If you don't like making videos or creating content for Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, this funnel is for you. And that couldn't be more than the truth, guys. Creating content daily is the trick to this business. So we're going to help you big time. A funnel system does all the work for you. Just invite people to your link and boom, check this out. Now, this link, or if you click this picture, it goes directly to my YouTube video. Okay, I'm recording this video. After I upload it and put a crappy thumbnail on like this one, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my YouTube channel, and I can just copy the link and post it, right up here if I want. But what I try not to do is go Save Club, Save Club, Save Club. I don't want to burn out anybody that's a friend of mine, especially if they're not in Save Club. Okay? I have more success if I post, let's say, 10 times. I only post 2 times, 2 maybe, about Save Club. Okay, so you can see I post about Trails. Okay, I post about Melendez Brothers. I post about the disco concert. I post about the Brainwave Charity Car Show this Saturday. I post about my friends, hot grandmas. All right, there's John. He just won my radio station Best Truck Award. Okay, so you see how I don't burn out. Save Club, Save Club, Save Club. Look at little Harper here, and look, here's Alicia and Chad. All these guys, they won vehicle awards at the car show we did 2 days ago. But here's little Harper. Check this out. You want to see her? Here, watch this. She's a good buddy of mine. She presents all the trophies for us. But she wanted to show me her new cheerleading routine. But check this out. I think I've had 500 to 1,000 views. And look at that. She's rocking on the rock. And look at that. She's jumping down and doing her da-da-da-da. Say go team. Okay? So yeah, I put little Harper on there for what, 26 seconds? So you can see I just don't do Save Club, Save Club. Bore the hell out of Save Club. I'm desperate. Join me, join me. All right? Be entertaining. I couldn't be more serious. The more I do this business, I think more people, they will admit they've got to somehow be entertained too. The videos, are they real? Do you feel like, hey, you know me? All right, if you're at my radio station right now, maybe we can just get a big table, which I have. I got a monster table here, but I got 7 big computer screens in front of me. It looks like the space shuttle. I should take my webcam off and show you what I'm watching. It's just crazy. I've got screen, and big 40, 50-inch ones above. All right. And I don't even play video games. I just like to have all my screens open so I don't have to like cut, paste, go back and forth and whatnot. But boy, I'm a big fan of just hanging out with you guys and sharing information about Save Club. I definitely want to help you with pictures and videos. My main thing is I'm worried that you're not going to know what to post on Facebook. Okay, I have an advantage just because I do make video and I can always post a link to my video. Hey guys, check this out. And whatever my video is about, I just put it in my description. Make sure that peoplejoinpeople.com is correct. And that way, hopefully there's a chance you guys just even watch my darn videos, okay? But I'm well aware, especially after doing this 2 times, 2 years. Yep, I've done it 1 year and 2. I've done this 2 years and 1 month because I started doing online business 2 Aprils, let's see, April 23rd. And right now it's May of 2025. So 2 years and 1 month. And I've had thousands of people sign up in my multiple businesses online. And almost 90% of them, they all run into brain fog, brain fart. You just run out of things like, oh, I don't know what to do. What pictures should I use? And video, I'll tell you what, I think it's 1,000 times more powerful to do a video than even a picture. All right, they're both good. Even an email, even an inbox thing. I mean, any form of communication, if people are asking you, hey, do you have a way to save money? Hey, is there an affiliate this? Or how can I earn money sitting at home? Guys, check it out. I just tell people straight up, if you want to look at the funnel, go to People Join People. And if you want to just do the traditional way that I've recruited 70 some odd people, put me in the top 10 in the world in Save Club, just do it a traditional way. Okay? And that's where I just go ahead and invite people to ilovesaveclub.com. They go to this capture page, which you get when you sign up as an affiliate. Guys, guess what? You get this page. You just change your name right there. People watch this 6-minute video already produced by our founder. All right. Good old Charles Moy. And if you want more information or you want to join, just fill out this info, hit the orange button, open up the email, and you're in the goods. Okay. And then if you want the funnel system, which kicks ass, that's a whole different ball game, guys. All you got to do is just switch and just go to People Join People. I always have, do you want a soft taco or a hard crunchy taco? Okay. There's more value to me right now by offering you a choice. Okay. I'm a big fan of that at this point. So I want you actually to go to both and just watch both videos. They're not long. They're not 5-hour seminars. This is just good old fashioned, a good way to recruit if you don't know how. These are videos that are already produced that you can use, and they're highly effective. As of today, we've signed up about 10,000 people just in 3 weeks, and it's not even to the public yet. We're in pre-launch mode. So if you're watching me now, mid-May, we got another 15, 16 days before June 1st of 2025 is when we go ready, set, go. So if you join me now, I want you to get locked in. Let's just get you into Save Club. Okay, we need to get your back office just configured. I want you to get really good at just promoting your link. And then if you have $25, I want you to look into the funnel system. Okay, because then we can get you pictures, video, and the whole funnel takes care of everything. Okay, when you go to ilovesaveclub.com, that video by our founder, 6 minutes. But when you go to our funnel system, where People Join People are, it's 20 minutes. It really, I hate to say over-explain, but it really explains Save Club nice and slow. And after 20 minutes, most people relax and go, you know what? I don't want to do it. I think I might want to do it, or screw it, I'm doing it. Okay? Both of those links on my screen, they end up in signups with Save Club. You're going to save money on things you're already buying or maybe going to buy in the future. Okay? And you're going to help a lot of people out. But the best part is you feel like you're earning money. You're not making it. It's not a cash grab like, oh, I made $1,000. Whoop-de-doo. That is awesome. But you know what? I like the word earn better because you're bringing value for real to people. You're saving people, you, money. It's saving me money. I saved $700 my first month. Okay. And I'm going to save probably about anywhere from 50 to $150 every single month by spending only 20. So I'm a big fan of Save Club. Okay. But I'm a big fan of helping you guys learn the business, how to get signups, how to get people just interested in what you got cooking. Because if you can't make money, I don't make money. All right. There's no use having this downline matrix, whatever the hell it's called, you know. We need to help each other. Okay. So anyway, guys, I'll end this. I was going to end it at 15. And it looks like I'm a minute and 12 over. Okay. Peoplejoinpeople.com. There you go. I love saveclub.com. Go to both if you can. All right. They're both good. They both work too, by the way. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys go kick some butt today. Okay. You have fun. I got to go tinkle right now. Ugh, I got my legs crossed like a secretary here with high sexy heels on. Remember Sharon Tate? Remember she has her little thing on in that movie where she kind of undoes her legs like this? What was that movie called? Do you guys remember? Michael Douglas and Sharon Tate. What happened to Sharon Tate? Where is Michael Douglas? Is he still alive? I love Michael. All right, guys. It's called Basic Instinct, in case you want to see how to unspread your legs in high heels. I'm lying. I actually got slippers on, but I really got to go to the bathroom. Got to go. Literally. Bye.